Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to teach you about seasons in Sanskrit. What is meant by seasons? Seasons means Rituhu. See here. Rituhu means season. Rituhu, Ritu, Ritavaha. So, Ritavaha means seasons. Okay, children. There are 6 seasons in Sanskrit. I will teach you. See here. Vasanta Rituhu, Grishma Rituhu, Varsha Rituhu, Sharad Rituhu, Hemanta Rituhu, Shishira Rituhu. Okay, children. I will write here the first one. Vasantaha. Vasanta Rituhu. Then the second one. Grishmaha. Grishma Rituhu. Then the third one. Varsha Rituhu. Then the fourth one. Sharad Rituhu. Then the fifth one, Hemanta Rituhu. Then the last one, Shishira Rituhu. Okay, children. Actually, we know in 1 year there are 12 months, right? In these 6 Rituhu, in these 6 seasons, we can include, we can compile those 12 months. Okay, children? In Vasanta Rituhu, there are 2 months. In Tamil, we say Chittirai Madam, Vaikasi Madam, Vasanta Ritu. In Vasanta Rituhu, Chittirai Madam and Vaikasi Madam are there. Then, second one, Grishma Rituhu. In Grishma Rituhu, 2 months are there. In Tamil we say Ani Madam, Adi Madam. Ani, Adi, Grishma Ritu. Then the third one, Varsha Rituhu. In Varsha Rituhu, there are 2 months. Avani Madam, Purattasi Madam. Varsha Rituhu. Then the fourth one, Sharad Rituhu. Sharad Rituhu means what? In Sharad Rituhu means autumn season. In Sharad Rituhu, there are 2 months. In Tamil we say Aipasi Madam, Kartigai Madam. Then the fifth one, Hemanta Rituhu. Hemanta Rituhu means what? Pre-winter season. Before winter season. Okay. In Hemanta Rituhu, there are 2 months. Margai Madam, Tai Madam. At last, Shishira Rituhu. Shishira Rituhu means what? Winter season. In that, 2 months are there. Masi Madam, Panguni Madam. Okay, children. Now I will teach you Vasanta Rituhu, spring season. Grishma Rituhu, summer season. Varsha Rituhu, monsoon season. Sharad Rituhu, autumn season. Hemanta Rituhu, pre-winter season. Then the last one, Shishira Rituhu, winter season. Now, I will teach you how to split these words. First you see here, Vasanta Rituhu, Vasantaha, Va, Sa, Yin, Taha, Vasantaha. Then the second one, Grishmaha, Ig, Ri, Ig plus Ri, Gri, Ish, Maha, Grishmaha. Then the third one, Varsha Rituhu, Va, Ir, Sha, Varsha, Rituhu. Then the fourth one, Sharad Rituhu, Sha, Ra, Id, Sharad, Rituhu. Then the fifth one, Hemanta Rituhu, He, Ma, Yin, Ta, Hemanta Rituhu. Then the last one, Shishira Rituhu, Shi, Shi, Ra, Rituhu, Shishira Rituhu. Okay, children? See here, Chittirai Vaikasi Vasanta Ritu, Ani Adi Grishma Ritu, Avani Purattasi Varsha Ritu, Aipasi Kartigai Sharad Ritu, Margavi Tai Hemanta Ritu, Masi Panguni Shishira Ritu. Children, now I will teach you in Sanskrit. Okay? In Sanskrit, in Vasanta Ritu, there are 2 months. Chittirai Vaigasi in Tamil. For these 2 months, Chittirai Vaigasi, we say Chaitraha, Vaishakhaha. Chaitra Masaha, Vaishakha Masaha. Then Grishma Rituhu. In Grishma Rituhu, 2 months are there. In Sanskrit we say Jeshta Masaha, Ashadha Masaha. Then the third one, Varsha Rituhu. In Varsha Rituhu there are 2 months. In Sanskrit we say Shravana Masaha, Bhadrapada Masaha. In Tamil, Avani Purattasi. Okay? Then the fourth one, in Sharad Ritu, there are 2 months. We say in Sanskrit, Ashvina Masaha, Kartika Masaha. Okay, children? Then the fifth one, Hemanta Rituhu. In Hemanta Rituhu also, there are 2 months. In Sanskrit we say, Margashirsha Masaha, Pausha Masaha. For this Pausha Masaha, we have another name called Makara Masaha. This one, Makara Masaha. Then the last one, Shishira Rituhu. In Shishira Rituhu also, there are 2 months. The first one is Magha Masaha, then Phalguna Masaha. Okay, children? See here, Chittirai Madam. What is the Sanskrit word? Chaitraha. Vaigasi Madam. The Sanskrit word is Vaishakhaha. Then Ani Madam. The Sanskrit word is Jeshtaha, Jeshta Masaha. Then Adi Madam, Ashadha Masaha. Then Avani Madam. In Sanskrit we say Shravana Masaha. Then Purattasi Madam. For Sanskrit, in Sanskrit we say Bhadrapada Masaha. Then Aipasi Madam. In Sanskrit we say Ashvina Masaha. Then Kartigai Madam. Kartigai Madam means Kartika Masaha in Sanskrit. Then Margai Madam. Margai Madam means Margashirsha Masaha. Then Tai Madam. For Tai Madam we have two names in Sanskrit. The one is Pausha Masaha. The another name is Makara Masaha. Then the last thing, Masi Madam. For Masi Madam we say Magha Masaha in Sanskrit. Then the last one, Panguni Madam. For Panguni Madam we say Phalguna Masaha. Okay children, there are 6 seasons, 12 months. Vasanta Rituhu, Grishma Rituhu, Varsha Rituhu, Sharad Rituhu, Hemanta Rituhu, Shishira Rituhu. What are the months? Chaitra Masaha, Vaishakha Masaha, Jyeshtha Masaha, Ashadha Masaha, Shravana Masaha, Bhadrapada Masaha, Ashvina Masaha, Kartika Masaha, Margashirsha Masaha, Pausha Masaha or Makara Masaha, Magha Masaha, Phalguna Masaha. Thank you children. Meet you in next session. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.